Did you log in your Airbnb and suddenly you are page 17? Boom. Nobody is booking, nobody is even looking at your listing and you don't understand why. I get this question all the time. Having an open calendar, a beautiful listing and very nice prices do not guarantee at all visibility on Airbnb and more generally on every online travel agencies. It's a bit like having a stall at the market. You basically open, you put your product, but you forget that you have to shout out for people to come and purchase your product. Your calendar is just basically the entry ticket for Airbnb. They are looking at way more than that. Do you reply fast to your customer? Do you decline requests? Do you update your pictures? How is your customer rating and do you reply to their feedback? All of this influences how high you will be in the rankings on Airbnb. They are looking at the client side as well. Those clients scroll, click, and actually check your listing and even make an inquiry or a booking, or they are just scrolling past. How attractive are you to the clients? Now the real killer and the one you should focus first. If you don't have bookings on Airbnb for even a week, and I say a week, not a month, you will go down the rankings. Why? Well, Airbnb, it's a business like yours. They need commission. If your property is not able to provide bookings and commission to Airbnb, you will go down automatically, as simple as it gets. So what to do? Well, Airbnb is like a social media. You have to be present every week. You have to change your nightly pricing, okay? Some nights you reduce the price, some other you update it. It's all virtual. It doesn't have to reflect the pricing of your market, your own pricing or the occupancy. It's just to show to Airbnb that you are alive and your listing is alive and present for guests. Secondly, update your text, change some pictures, make your listing always improving. Everlasting improvement on Airbnb help you to stay up the rankings. And lastly, close some nights within this week or within this month to show to Airbnb that there is some movement in your property. There is some bookings, not necessarily, on Airbnb platform, but on other platform or even indirect to see and show Airbnb that you still interesting. Another trick is to use the discount strategy. Basically, you keep the price the same, but you use Airbnb tools to put discount of 10, 15% on some nights. So like that, Airbnb will push you up because they see that you use the tools and you are willing to do discount to improve your occupancy and therefore give bookings and commission to Airbnb. So yeah, to wrap up, your calendar might be perfect, empty. Your pricing might be nice and attractive, but it doesn't mean that you will go up Airbnb rankings. You need to be present on this platform like a social media and update, even virtually, some of your prices or your occupancy for you to show to Airbnb that you're still in the game and you're still interested in attracting guests via Airbnb. So if you want some help with your Airbnb and get some very cool PDF on how to do it, contact me directly at getelitebookings.com and I will be more than happy to help you.